The Prophet ﷺ said that when somebody sins, there is a black spot that is placed on the heart of that person. As soon as you sin, what happens? A black spot is placed on the heart of that person. And if he asks for forgiveness, if he does tawbah, that, oh Allah, I sinned, but please forgive me. If he does this, or he says to Allah that, oh Allah, I sinned, and this was not right. Whatever sin that you've done, whether you've lied, you've backbited, or whether you have stolen something, or whether you have broken somebody's heart, whether you have been disobedient to your parents, whether you have cheated someone, whatever sin that you've done. As soon as you commit the sin, the Prophet ﷺ has said that a black spot comes over your heart. And as soon as you do tawbah, the black spot is removed. But if you don't do tawbah, if you're not very upset about your sin, and you keep on doing sins over and over again, each sin is going to get you a black spot on your heart, and there will be a time when that whole heart will become completely black.